Have you ever spent time watching tutorials on how to find the perfect niche and haven't done anything with it? If so, you're likely stuck in a trap. Don't worry, you're not alone. Most experts use research as a shield because it's safer than starting. So in this video, I want to talk about why we get addicted to learning, why it's killing your progress, and the back-to-basics approach you need to take to finally get moving. It is very easy to convince yourself that watching another video or reading another article is work. I have been there, sitting at the desk taking pages of notes and feeling like I'm building a business while I'm really just building a library. This is what I call passive action. It is like preparing for a journey that you never start. The real cost is, while you are trying to learn the perfect way to do it, others out there are doing it imperfectly. And guess what? They are the ones who are making progress. When I started my Golf Balls blog, I didn't spend 6 months on learning how they're manufactured. I didn't wait until I learned everything before I wrote my first article. That being said, I didn't become a decent reviewer overnight. There was a whole year of inconsistent writing and adjustments. But the key was that I was out there testing golf balls and seeing what happened in the real world. If I had stayed in research mode, I never would have figured out my specific angle. Finding clarity only happened because I was willing to go out there and do the work. The secret is to get back to the basics. Real progress comes from practicing a few simple things until you get good at them. This starts with limiting your input. Implementation is more important at this stage than a load of information. I like to follow a simple 20-80 rule. Spend 20% of your time learning and 80% of your time doing the reps. You have to accept that your first attempts will probably be a bit messy. That is just the price for admission. It takes time and repeated practice to become truly good at this. And no textbook can skip that part for you. The clarity you're looking for is at the other end of work, not at the bottom of a research paper. Stop using preparation as your excuse to stay still. You are already ready enough to take the first step. Once you stop overthinking and start practicing the fundamentals, everything gets much simpler. This is the path toward becoming a guide people can rely on. The thing is, you can't learn your way out of a doing problem. But once you stop researching and start taking action, you have to make sure you're focusing all that energy on one specific problem instead of trying to solve everything at once. I break down exactly how to do that using the sniper method in this video right here. Watch that one next, and I'll see you there.